Today, we will demonstrate how to program a tachometer signal to your CompuStar remote starter. A tachometer signal tells our remote start system when to stop cranking the engine. If there is no tachometer signal to the control unit, it may overcrank or undercrank the engine. This can result in a starter grind or no start condition. A tach signal is measured in AC volts, but can also be found on the data bus in some vehicles as well. A good tach wire will rise with the throttle and RPM. The preferred method of engine sensing is tachometer. If the blade AL or ALCA provides this over data, this programming will still be required. It is recommended to program your RF remotes prior to tachometer programming. To program tach, start the vehicle and let the engine idle down to operation. You may also put the vehicle in gear while holding the brake to bring the idle down. Next, while the engine is running, press and hold the foot brake. Then, with the foot brake pressed, press the remote start button on the RF remote for 2.5 seconds. The parking lights will flash one time, indicating tachometer programming is successful. The parking lights will flash 2 times if tachometer programming is unsuccessful. The parking lights will flash 3 times, followed by 1 if you do not have a brake signal going to the control unit. If no RF remotes are used for installation, for example, drone mobile or factory remotes, there are 2 ways you can activate the starter by wire. You can use the pink activation input wire and pulse it to 12 volts while the brake is being pressed. You must change option group 2, feature 4, setting 2. Or you can use the e-brake wire and pulse it to ground while the foot brake is being pressed. You must change option group 2, feature 14, setting 3. Thank you for watching this video. For more information on our solutions, visit compustar.com.